Hi, I'm Will with Tandemloc. I'd like to take a moment to talk to you about one of our products, the Rotary lift lug. The Rotary lift lug is a key component in our line of bottom lift sling assemblies. It has several features that help make our bottom lift slings the most user-friendly on the market. Container lifting and handling is governed by a worldwide standard, the ISO 3874, in which the Rotary lift lug is fully compliant in all aspects, enabling you to lift according to the standard. One method of lifting containers is by utilizing a lift sling, like our Q25 series bottom lift sling assemblies here, in which the containers are lifted utilizing the bottom corner fitting of the container. The Rotary lift lug is designed to fit into the side aperture or hole of an ISO corner fitting that's part of an ISO freight container like our model here that we'll be using to demonstrate how a Rotary lift lug works. Simply align the lug with the hole in the ISO corner fitting, insert, and turn the lug 90 degrees. Please note that the container was sitting on the ground and the connection was made possible by the unique rotating feature of the lug. There are other products out there on the market that can make the connection, but they require an elevated container to do so. Also, please note that those other products out there on the market most require a shackle to connect to a wire rope. Our product doesn't. That connection with a wire rope is made possible simply by backing out this bolt, inserting the wire rope, reinserting the bolt, and backing out that set screw there to secure the bolt, which is a cost savings not having to use the shackle. You'll note that our lug incorporates a securing feature that makes it very difficult to fall out of the corner fitting. As you can see on our demo corner fitting with the rear section removed, when the sling is slack, the lug rests at the floor of the corner and the body rotates around the lug. When the sling is taut, the assembly lifts up and the lug rests against the ceiling of the corner fitting, and the body rotates around the lug also. So in most working conditions, fallout is not a problem, because the lug remains in the locked position. Yet in extreme applications, we found that some added confidence by users was needed. So we incorporated these ball and spring plungers into the ends of the lug to make it more unlikely to fall out of the hole. Unlike our competitors' models, which are fixed, ours rotates, and because of this, our Rotary lift lug is not right-handed or left-handed. It works in the right and left-hand corner fittings. This is less confusing in the field, and the rotating feature allows it to self-align to any angle, which may vary from application to application. Yet it is important to note that on 40-foot containers that they are not to have a sling angle of less than 30 degrees from the horizontal plane, and this is outlined in the ISO 3874. Each one of our Rotary lift lugs has a working load limit of 33,600 pounds, but is proof tested to 67,200 pounds, twice the working load limit. However, do not exceed the working load limit. Be aware of the fact that the sling legs are used at an angle, and that angle increases the load experienced by the slings and the lugs. Each lift lug is rated for 33,600 pounds, which is sufficient as long as you are not lifting containers heavier than 67,200 pounds at an angle of less than 30 degrees. Otherwise, you will exceed the capacity of the lug and most likely the sling itself and be in danger of failure. As mentioned earlier, we incorporate Rotary lift lugs on our entire range of bottom lift sling assemblies that can be viewed on our website. We also sell these separately as replacement lugs and are a stock item. Please contact our sales department at 1-800-258-7324 for pricing, or for more information visit our website at tandemloc.com.